If you're facing issues with your Whirlpool washer and it seems unresponsive, don't worry. One of the first things you can try is our Whirlpool washer reset. This simple process can resolve many common problems and get your washer back to functioning normally. First, ensure that the washer is plugged in properly and that there are no issues with your power supply. A loose connection can often be the culprit behind unresponsive behavior. To perform a Whirlpool washer reset, start by unplugging the machine from the electrical outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief disconnection allows the internal computer to reset itself and can clear any temporary glitches that may have caused the washer to act up. After the time has passed, plug the washer back in and try running a cycle to see if the reset has resolved the issue. If your Whirlpool washer reset doesn't work on the first try, you can attempt a more thorough reset method. For many models, you can perform a reset by turning the dial to a specific cycle. Start by turning the cycle selector to normal. Then, press the start button, followed by turning the dial back to the off position. Repeat this step 2 more times. After the third time, turn the dial back to normal and press start again. This method often helps in reinitializing the control board and can fix various operational issues. Sometimes, even after a successful Whirlpool washer reset, you may find that specific error codes persist. If this is the case, consult your user manual for the model-specific error code interpretations and solutions. In many instances, addressing the underlying problem can prevent the same issue from recurring in the future. Regular maintenance can also help avoid the need for frequent resets. Make sure to clean the filter regularly and check the hoses for any kinks or blockages. Keeping your washer clean and well maintained can extend its lifespan and enhance performance. If you continue to experience issues even after a Whirlpool washer reset, it might be time to call a professional technician. They can provide a thorough diagnosis and fix any underlying problems that may not be easily resolved at home. By understanding how to perform a reset and maintaining your washer properly, you can ensure that it operates smoothly for years to come. Remember, a quick reset can often save you time and hassle, keeping your laundry routine on track.